Charlotte, look! My lemonade stand is ready!
Wow! It looks amazing, James.
Great job, buddy.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
First customer, please! I'll help you sell.
What is this mess on the sidewalk?
It's my lemonade stand, sir.
You're blocking the path.
We're not. There's space.
This is unacceptable.
He worked hard on it. I tell Dan I keep you hate.
Not my problem.
Is there an issue here?
Yes, your kids are causing trouble.
I'm not causing trouble, but
You're being a nuisance.
Sir, please be respectful.
Respect goes both ways.
he didn't do anything wrong.
That's your opinion.
Please don't be mad, Billis.
I'm not mad. I'm fixing it.
Fixing what?
This.
Wait, don't touch that! Ugh.
It's in my way. Stop!
Too late. Problem solved.
Why would you do that? So if you do that.
Because I can.
You broke it!
This is not okay.
You just destroyed his work. It was junk anyway.
I spent all morning.
Oh, sweetheart.
You should apologize. Nate ain't makes a date.
I don't owe anything. You owe him respect. Teach your kids better.
I didn't do anything wrong. He didn't.
This is unacceptable behavior.
Call it what you want.
I'm calling the community manager.
My cups. Everything's gone, but we'll fix it.
Maybe next time, stay inside. Enough.
You've said enough already.
Not my fault you're sensitive.
You're being mean for no reason.
Life isn't fair.
Why would someone do this?
Some people don't think about others.
This won't go unnoticed.
I'm not worried.
I took pictures before.
So?
So?
That's evidence.
What?
Whatever.
What's happening here?
He destroyed my son's stand.
It was blocking the sidewalk.
That doesn't justify this.
He didn't even ask.
That's not acceptable.
Look at the damage. It's all ruined.
Sir, you need to step back.
This is ridiculous.
He needs to take responsibility.
We'll review that.
We'll review this.
Fine. I'm leaving.
He just walks away now.
We'll handle it. You did great. Had it died? But it's gone.
It's not gone, James. Not really.
We are going to make it even better.
Help me with these, James. Okay, I can do that.
Let's get this to the garage.
We'll build it with real screws this time. It didn't break.
It's tough, just like you.
We can tape this back together.
Ready to be the lead builder? The community wanted to help you out.
Look at all these lemons. Look at all these lemons.
They're doing it, aren't they?
Is it straight, Dad?
Perfect. Lead builder.
Mom, why did he hate my stand so much?
It wasn't about your stand, sweetheart. Some people are just very unhappy inside. How you choose to react is who you really are.
Step by step.
Step by step.
That's how we fix things.
And grow stronger. Next stand will be better.
Definitely.
And bigger. A guide and all. Ah! Yes!
Yes!
With more customers.
I hope so.
People will support you.
Because you deserve it. Thank you.
Today was hard. But I learned something.
What did you learn?
Not everyone is kind.
But we can choose to be kind.
I will. I will.
That's the best lesson. I will.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of us. I'm proud of us.
Me too. Me too.
Ready to rebuild?
Yes!
Let's go home and prepare.
Good plan.
Tomorrow is a new day.
A better one.
With lemonade again. And smiles.
That's what matters.
That's what matters. What are you to lie?
Always.
Thank you for helping me. Always.
Family stands strong.
No matter what.
Together. Together.
Let's head home.
Yes.
I'm ready.
Me too.
Stronger than before.
Stronger than before.
Always.
Nothing can stop us. Nothing. Nothing.
Family always wins together.